Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been getting a lot of how to edit the pre-designed templates from my shop. I decided to do a quick demo. This is a fan template available in my shop.
When the night is heavy.
Here we have two backgrounds I'll use. This is a shadow background and this is a pink smoke background.
Hope feels far away.
Okay, let's get started. Start by grabbing the backgrounds. Just remember this is a demo on how to design your own and how to use the template. If you've purchased one of my pre-designed fan template, you will only need to personalize with your information.
I lift my eyes to heaven, where peace begins to stay. The stars don't answer questions. The wind won't hold my hand, but still I find the courage to trust what I can't plan. Every tear that falls.
This image is grouped together to hold everything in place. Ungroup the images when you are ready to edit your file.
You know, every silent cry you show. I lift my eyes, I lift my heart to where
You can change the text, elements, and image. This is fully editable. You can add whatever your creative mind desires. Just showing you how you can change the text.
you let me know. The dawn comes slow, uncertain. The shadows fight the sun. But even in the waiting, I know your wisdom.
Oops, forgot the L, but I'm gonna keep going.
The mountain seems unyielding. The climb is steep
These are called light flare. You can find them in elements.
and long. Yet through each step I'm
Here is the already made pre-designed template.
taking. You teach me. I belong.
Once you are finished editing your design, group everything together.
I lift my eyes, I lift my heart
Download your design, then upload back into Canva.
to where the healing waters start. I won't look down, I won't let go. You light the way. You let
However, I'm just going to drag from the download box.
You let me know the dawn comes slow, uncertain. The shadows fight the sun. But even in the waiting,
This is where you would find your file once you have uploaded back into Canva.
I know your wisdom. The mountains seem
Here's the drop frame. Hover your completed design over the frame and let it drop right in.
unyielding. The climb is steep
Removing the original background just to show you exactly how to drop the image into the frame.
and long. Yet through each step I'm taking, you teach me.
You can position your image inside the template. You can adjust the size of the template. A lot of you guys are trying to edit your template inside the frame. Remember, edit first, download, then upload and drop into the frame.
I belong.
Okay guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Quick message to my customers. You guys are awesome. Thank you for supporting my small business. Peace, love, and happiness. Happy crafting.